Okay, Johan, I've got a lady here. Your name is?
Barbara.
It's Barbara, and she's English and Afrikaans, so we can do a bilingual interview. What is the time frame? I see so minute chat gaan lekker wees.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, that's awesome. Yes, hulle is op 'n bieradvertensie in Australië.
Nice.
Is it what? Pilsner? Is that a South African? No, Pilsner. Oh, I thought jy moet Black Label vir hulle gee. Okay, fantastic. All right. Enigiets ongemaklik sê jy net nou comment.
Okay.
As ek vir jou enigiets vra wat jy nie antwoord jy nou comment.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, that's fantastic. Okay, test 1 2 1 2. That will be lekker. 1 2.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Okay, you can give us a countdown.
3, 2, 1, live.
I've got a beautiful lady here from the Garden Route, and she's bilingual. And for our South African people in Australia and of course also New Zealand, what is your name?
My name is Barbara Hefferman. Yeah.
Barbara, why is the Garden Route so special?
What is there not to like? It's the best place ever. We've relocated from Pretoria 3 years ago, and we're never looking back.
All right, and then of course we've got the Vida opening here. Do you like Vida?
Ooh, yeah, definitely. And my child also. She's like obviously always saying we must come to Vida. Definitely. It's one of the to-dos.
Yeah.
Definitely.
All right, guys, we're just going to take a quick ad break, and we're back in a second. Tand. Something on your tooth, ja. Ja, sit dit 'n bietjie so. Ja, ek het nou nie vir jou iets hier nie, miskien jy kan sommer daar in die middel, yes. Ja. Ja. Okay. Kyk, countdown.
Okay.
We are back, and the Garden Route's an absolutely special place. And what makes a coffee so unique in South Africa? A Vida.
A coffee, to wake up drinking a coffee would be the best thing ever. They've got the best, creamiest coffee in the world.
Yeah, absolutely. Yes, and of course, guys, what we've got here is not only the Vida. You'll see later how we'll talk about these South Africans, how they can also drink beer. But that will, of course, be with the beer drinkers. Yes, so you are saying it's not only coffee, but also the scenery.
Yeah, the scenery is spectacular. We've got the mountain view here. We've got the sea. It's basically so special. That's why a lot of people come here and visit and also want to stay.
Yeah.
So.
All right. My name is JD Haynes. Okay. Jy's op my prank show JD Pranks.
Ja, is dit?
Dit was die real kamera.
Ag nee man. Moet jy dit vir my sê nie, want ek sien hom.
Dis my maak hy tand skoon hè.
Ja, maar ek was so verbaas. Dat jy sê want ons het nie regtig iets geëet nou nie.
Jy is briljant. Jy gesien hoe kalm is hierdie dame. Ek sweer jy kan 'n TV-presenter raak. Ek stres vir jou part. Jy is
nee, maar
awesome.
Jy stres my probeer my opstres en ek moet kalm wees.
Jy wil kalm. Hoeveel kinders het jy?
2.
Geen wonder nie. 'n Ma wat kinders het weet, nê. Nee.
Presies. Ek het enetjie 'n teenager en dan die ander word goed groot met hulle hoor.
South Africans, if you're a mother, you can handle pressure. Okay, doen my 'n guns. Kyk in daai lens en sê JD Pranks, jy het my.
JD Pranks, jy het my gekry.